In today's video, I'll teach you how to create Typeform account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice, click on the search bar and type in typeform.com. After you do that, press enter. Now you'll be led to the official website of Typeform. You can see over here, initially you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find two options, login, sign up. Simply click on the option sign up. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign up interface. You'll be able to find three options for signing up over here. Sign up with Google, sign up with Microsoft, sign up with email. Click on the option of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option sign up with email. If you also selected that option, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address and create a password for yourself. Click on the field of email and enter the email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now click on the field of password and create a password for yourself. You need to use 8 or more characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Now after you create the password for yourself, check on this box, I agree to Typeform's terms of service, privacy policy and data processing agreement. Now after you're done, click on this option, create my free account that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you can see over here, you'll have to check your inbox in order to activate your account. Go to new tab, click on the search bar and type in gmail.com, press enter. Once you do that, you can see over here Gmail will be opened. Click on the email sent by Typeform. Now you can see over here the email will be opened. Now over here you'll be able to find the confirmation link. Click on this option, confirm account. Now you can see over here you'll be redirected to the new tab. Now over here what you have to do is finish creating your account. What you have to do is enter your first name and last name. First of all, enter the first name. Now enter the last name. Click on the option continue. Now once you do that, you'll have to customize your experience. You'll be able to see the question over here. What's the main thing you'll be using Typeform for? You'll be able to find the options over here. Click on the option of your choice. Now you'll be able to see this question, what do you want Typeform to help with? Click on the option of your choice. Click on the option submit. Now you can see over here your Typeform account has been created. You can go ahead and build your own form. So like this, you'll be able to create the Typeform account. So that is how you create Typeform account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.